Okay, we have question 15 here. We're going to assume the segment here appears to be tangent and to be a tangent. So we're going to solve for x. So what they're saying is that this line right here is a tangent. Okay, it appears to be a tangent, so it is a tangent. So this is a 90-degree intersection. Therefore, Pythagorean theorem should work. Therefore, we can set up a squared plus b squared is going to be equal to c squared. All right. So this is A is equal to x. We have B is equal to 8. Our C though, what is that though? C is equal to, this part is 11, but this part is 8. So C is 11 plus 8. Okay, so A is x squared, then B squared is 8 squared, then C squared is going to be 19 squared, because the whole thing here is 8 plus 11. All right, x squared plus 64 is equal to 19 squared. That we can use a calculator if you do not know what 19 squared is. 19 squared is 931. Right? Subtract 64, subtract 64. Okay. This gets you 867 is x squared. Okay, now you want to take the square root of that. Okay, so now if you take the square root of, let's say the square root of 867, take the square root of that. That doesn't come off really pretty, so we can just say it is the square root of 867, which is roughly 29.4. Right, so there you go. That's what x would be. Okay. All right. Next, we're trying to find this tangent, and you see here it says the whole thing here is x. So we can say a is equal to 3.2. Our c here, our b here is this part is 3. This part is also 3, so it's 3 plus 3. And then our c here is just x. So a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A is 3.2 squared plus b, it is 6 squared, and c is x squared. All right. So here we have 3.2 squared. Okay. So 3.2 squared is 10.24 is plus 36 is equal to x squared. So this is 46.24 is equal to x squared. And then we want to take the square root of that. And this gets you x, the square root of 462. The square root of 46.24 is equal to x, and that is 66.8 is equal to x. So there you go. Okay, so all you have to do is set up Pythagorean theorem to solve for that value of x. Just be careful that you're picking the right a, b, and c values.